I just arrived at my new favourite flying field. It's beautiful parkland, and on the edge there's an area that's legal to fly, and it's filled with like weeds essentially, big spiky weeds. So there's no chance for people to be sort of hanging out underneath aeroplanes and stuff. So yeah, I really love it. But on the way over here, it started spitting. It started raining, so may not be able to fly. Plane's still in the shop. Let's have a look at the rain alarm. So this is the app I use, Rain Alarm Pro. You can see there's quite a bit of rain around. Oof. Might be able to jump up there for a minute. It stopped right now. Just going to have to be ready to run. Moving around. Let's go. Love this spot so much. I feel so comfortable knowing I'm not going to be flying over any people or disturbing anyone. It's a very beautiful spot. I want to go hiking trails at some point too. Oh. Okay, what's that hitting? Hitting each other again. All these arms, this arm is bent, I think. And that looks like that arm's bent too. Okay. Might have to replace one of these arms at some point. It's just so amazing to find something so beautiful in the city, you know? Oh, I just felt a speck of rain. Yeah, I'm very lucky. I'm very lucky to have this beautiful open parklands so close to the city, because we're surrounded by suburbs right now. But someone's been wise enough to section this area off away from development, and gives us a bit of nature to escape to. I was hoping I would just pick it up instantly and have no problems, but it's a challenge. Actually got a low battery warning and turned it down. Land now, land now.
Land now. Land now.
Okay, looks
Battery
like
critical. Land now.
I only went 10 seconds over my timer, so I'll have 3.7 in there at least. Ooh, another speck of rain. So I got a flight in. Good day. Worth the trip. It's nice just to be out in nature again. So the question is, will I be able to use my other pack? I've got 2 packs with me. Will I be able to use my other pack before the rain comes? It's not that windy. You don't get that. It's not getting that strong wind that usually comes before the storm hits. Clouds are somewhat grey in places. Looks like it actually is raining over there. Alright, so 10 seconds over the timer. Let's have a look. .85 on all cells. So probably actually need to extend my timers a bit. At the moment I'm on 4 minutes 20. Could probably push it up to the warning tone at 4 minutes 30. And battery critical at 5 minutes. I guess it depends on how hard you're flying. A little superficial damage on this battery from the last time I fell out of the sky. And it did get down to 2.9 on all cells. I was a bit worried, but I was being silly. Hasn't puffed at all. It charged perfectly, smoothly, all cells equal and balanced, so keep using it. Okay, so we're all set up for some sweet onboard footage. Alright, let's go send it. Okay, let's start a couple more drips. Uh-oh. Okay. Yeah. Let's take all the sensitive electronics and put them back in the car for now. Got back just in time. It's just starting to drip a lot more. So that might be a good chance to go for a walk. So everyone seems to walk down this way whenever they get here. I guess we'll go see what's down there. I could probably look at the map, but it's probably more fun just going for a wander. Gotta tell you, it's not looking like there's much down here. This looks like another suburban street at the end here. Why does everyone come this way? I guess we'll go find out. Yeah, so definitely a suburban street. That says private property. It's like a retirement village or something. So we'll turn around. I think I was probably closer to the walking tracks before. Nothing ventured, nothing gained. It's barely raining. We'll see. If I get a couple of minutes of no rain, then I'm going to go back up. Okay, so see what it's like down this way. This might be... So that's where I fly. All the weeds are. There's a bit of a winding road down here. I think, ultimately, over there is where you're going to get the best walk. Right through the trees, right through the forest. Definitely leading me somewhere. It reminds me quite a bit of some campgrounds I've been to before. Magpie swooping season is just about over, which is very good news. Interesting little road. Looks like it's taking me to this dam over here, which is fenced off, so I don't know if it's used as a water supply or something. There's people walking there. You must be able to get in. So over there, above all these weeds, is where I launched from. And hey, I just realised it hasn't rained for 10 minutes. So it might be time to go back and launch. Very interesting. Doesn't look like you actually can get in there, so I don't know how these people got there. Oh, I see, the fence has been torn apart. Yeah, that's people for you. Very interesting looking fence. Maybe to stop the roos from jumping in. Don't know. Wildlife from crawling over. Very pretty looking lake through there. Beautiful. There's some rusted old farm equipment. How Aussie is that? And down here, pretty cool. Looks like, I think that's the border of the parklands down there. I'm guessing you can get across and go for some nice walks. Actually, is that fence open down there? Oh, there you go. It's definitely stopped raining, so it's time to get back, get some of that sweet, sweet onboard footage.
Disarmed.
Okay, this is why you check everything when you have a hard landing. Okay, that's better.
Disarmed.
That was cool.